You've been consuming a lot lately. Noise, information, videos, thoughts, distractions. And maybe part of you already knows why. Because silence has started feeling uncomfortable. Not boring, revealing. The moment things become quiet, certain thoughts return. Certain feelings return. Certain truths return. So the mind learns to stay stimulated constantly. Not because it enjoys noise, but because it is trying to avoid what waits underneath it. This is your fog check. You do not need more input tonight. You probably need a moment where you can finally hear yourself again.